And welcome back everyone to Guaranty RV here in gorgeous Junction City in the middle of winter. I'm here to show you an indoor unit, our beautiful 2019 Bay Star. And this is a 32 footer. It's the 3226. We're going to take a little tour of the outside and then I'll show you the beautiful indoors. Follow me. Coming around the side, one thing I do want to point out right away is Bay Star does still have the side view cameras, which are a very nice safety feature for you. Those come on when you turn your blinkers on so that you can make sure there's no traffic beside you that doesn't know you're making that change lane. Also, we've got the outside entertainment, some great storage. Small unit, not too imposing, and yet the storage on this is a lot of times more than some of the bigger units that have a lot of things going on inside their basements. Again, your storage spaces, your access to water, your 5500 awning, which is a very large for a 32 foot. It's a pretty good sized generator. That gives you a 50 amp cord, and we'll see that when we go around the other side. Another very nice large storage unit, lighted bays when you've got those turned on the inside. Coming around the back, again you've got your camera as always, your hitch, and roof access. A rear window which is also going to serve as an exit window for you in emergencies. And this is your 50 amp cord. These are all off, yep. A nice long cord, so in case you aren't able to get close enough to that plug-in in the space at your RV park, you should have ample cord to get you where you need to be. More storage. And this is your working closet. You got your outside shower, and this is where you'll be able to feed your black water through here so that you can shut your doors at night and don't have to worry about those being open because of your hoses. More storage, long storage. You've got some long poles or even skis that you want to bring with you wherever you're going, and a 25-gallon propane tank. Great usage of the basement in this 32 foot unit. You've got your Ford V10, and again your side view cameras, a beautiful large view window. It's just a gorgeous unit. Let's take a look at the inside and I know you'll be convinced. First thing you want to take a look at when you come in is the spacious cockpit up front, where the all the access for your driver, the captain of this ship, is going to be very comfortable, and everything is right at your fingertips. Great counter storage and a TV up front. Your control module up front that turns on your house batteries, check your tanks, turn on a lot of your features like your outside storage unit lighting. And then when you come into the house, you've got a beautiful layout with a dining room, living room complementing each other. Two opposing slides, which gives you that nice open feel when you come in here. It doesn't feel tight at all. It's very comfortable for a lot of people to mill around. Your chairs will also turn around and become part of the living area. And then you see, with your tops down, lots of counter space. Once you're done with your food preparation, you can close this up and leave it out for snacking on during the movie or after and during intermissions. But in the meantime, you do have this beautiful 3-burner propane stove with the heavy-duty grills. A very nice double sink, deep, and to fill in any heavy pots, if you're going to have a clam bake and you need to fill up a 10-gallon pot for your outside stove, there you go. Some great storage again, a larger television here, and nice deep drawers that you can store a lot of things in here and underneath. They've done a good plan in here. You'll notice as you walk through, you've got a convection microwave, and with this going to the all-electric version, you're not going to have the an oven, but you can have one installed if they've got access and there's not too much plumbing going on back there. You've got your 3-way refrigerator, very spacious, 2-door, and nice hidden handles with an ice maker. Check that out, cameraman. That's pretty neat. All right, coming through here, you also have a pantry of sorts. Great place to put canned goods, spices, everything you need right here next to your stove. Nice big cabinet. And the Newmar unique door, what this is going to do is save a lot of room when these slides come in. And you'll still be able to access your beautiful bathroom. Gorgeous space in there. More pantry space. This little unit is just decked out with storage space. Coming in further, a big surprise, a king size bed in this little Bay Star 3226. Not very often do we come across the shorter units that have the king size bed. This is unique. Very large, ample closet space for both. Nobody has to be cut short of that closet space. That's awesome. No fighting. So we've got another TV in here. Some great ambiance and backlighting. Again, this nice rear view mirror here, mirror window, which gives the bedroom lots of crosswind breathing. Windows by the bed on the headboard side. And this is your exit for emergencies. I think you'll really like this unit. I didn't go into a lot of the mechanical details. I'd love to answer those questions for you. Please feel free to contact me at the information below, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Bye-bye.